Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Treats and Travels, and my name is Bharwa Bhindi. For today's recipe, I am going to show you how to make Masala bhindi, or you can call it as stuffed okra. Generally, bhindi gets sticky while cooking, so I am telling you a few tips for that. Now I will not waste your time and let's get started. In today's recipe, I have cut this bhindi vertically. You can keep thickness of bhindi or slits as per your choice also. I am going to fry this on griddle. You can use tawa instead of griddle also. Let me tell you importance of this process. Because of frying on griddle, each piece will get crispy and crunchy and it will not be sticky at the end. Now I have poured oil on griddle and now I am keeping bhindi all over it. Do try this when you are making your next recipe. Sprinkle salt all over it so it will have some taste. You will have to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. Your cooking time may get vary as per thickness of your slits. Keep frying in between so that it will not get burnt from one side. After frying this, you have to take it out on one plate and we will move forward to next procedure. Now you can see my spices ka dabba. Other than that, you will need groundnut powder, coconut powder, sesame seeds, garlic powder, salt and oil. Now I have transferred bhindi in this pan and now I am adding red chili powder. Next goes in cumin seeds and coriander powder. Now I will add pinch of turmeric. And last is Garam Masala. I am thinking why I am using this pan. Next time I should not use this because condition of this pan is not that good. So make sure you also don't use this type of pan. I am going to throw it. Now let's move forward to our next procedure. Now can you see texture of bhindi? It's because of griddle fry. Now you have to dry roast your groundnut, sesame seeds and coconut. And after that you have to grind it. And this powder should be rough or coarse. Please do not make fine powder out of it. And now add 1 cup of this powder in small batches and give it a good mix. After that, cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and then your masala bhindi will be ready. Now serve this bhindi for side of dal rice or you can eat it with chapati. Do try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comments if you like it or not. And what other things you do to cook your bhindi. Until my next video, bye bye.